This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyadjian. I'm Maria Pachardis. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. Markets remain fixated on the stimulus talks in Washington as the week draws to a close, with a window for a deal to be struck before the November 3rd election closing fast. Positive signals about the prospect of a deal from House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and the White House are eclipsing doubts about whether Republican deficit hawks would ever approve the bill that is being negotiated, which is thought to be in the region of $1.9 trillion. But even if an agreement is reached in the next day or two, it could take a while for the bill to be drafted and then voted on, so it's looking less and less likely that a new stimulus package will be passed before the election. However, markets appear unfazed by the prospect of a delay and have been steadily pricing in such a scenario. As long as the two sides keep talking and the size of the package is close to $2 trillion, risk assets should remain supported. U.S. stock futures inched higher on Friday on the back of those hopes, adding to yesterday's modest gains. European shares, meanwhile, opened sharply higher as they played catch-up after a sluggish week. The U.S. dollar recovered substantial lost ground yesterday and overnight, but was still on track to end the week about 1% lower against a basket of currencies, as stimulus hopes have been revived. The Greenback was back under pressure on Friday, though even if the mood continues to improve, caution ahead of the upcoming presidential election is likely to curb sharp losses. The final debate between the presidential candidates that took place yesterday gave neither Trump nor Biden a clear edge. After slipping earlier in the session, the euro bounced higher following the flash PMI releases, which showed the Eurozone recovery is not totally out of fuel. Manufacturing activity accelerated rapidly in October, somewhat offsetting a deeper-than-anticipated slump in services activity. The strong performance of the manufacturing sector, which is less impacted by virus restrictions, has added to hopes that the recovery won't be completely derailed, and that could be what is aiding the euro. The single currency was last trading 0.2% higher, outperformed by the Aussie, which was also boosted from upbeat PMIs. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.